Okay, so today I'm doing an unboxing video, Happy Mail. So I got some ombre yarn from Joann's and Walmart. Only a couple skeins each, but I want to make blankets with them for gifts. And I got 2 skeins of the violet today. So those are going to go in the bin with the other violets, and that makes 5. Makes 5 violet. I thought I had 6. But no, I have 5 violet. So I've got those now. So I'm ready to make that blanket. Because I'm going to make my red, white, and blue one. And then I'm going to make my Hocus Pocus blanket. And then I'm going to make all the ombre blankets. So that's awesome. Oh. Okay. Well, that's new. I have to move my ombres because I might not have enough room in there. This is green apple. No, this green apple is lighter than my other green apples. I don't know why. But this box has my 4 green apples. So now I have 7 green apples. So those are going in the bin. I just have to figure out where. Okay. So now I have 7 green apples. So that's what was in this one. So we're going to put this box over here because I might actually have to use it. And then I have another box over here that came. I'm waiting for the pink. Oh, I gotta put this one back. Yep. I gotta put this one back. So, okay. 7 green apple. And now I have 4, 5 violet. 4, 5 violet. That's what I said. So now, last box. And I don't think all of them came. I don't think all of them are here, have arrived. So, that being said, I am missing blue, pink, and teal right now. But I did get this. It is the sweet treats. I found these, which are going to be another blanket, and it looks like I got 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 8 sweet treats. Oh, my teal came, yes. So now I have my teal. All right. So we're going to take the pink out of the bin because, well, actually, no, I should probably keep the pink in the bin. And then I'll put my teal in the box because, well, pink and teal are going to be the first 2 of these that I do. So, I now have 6 teal, which is good because I can make that blanket now. So, I've got 6 teal. That blanket is ready to get started. I still only have 2 pink, so pink will have to be on the wait list because it's going to be my red, white, and blue, Hocus Pocus, teal, pink, and then I can get to making these other colors. Yeah. But I am missing 2 blue. I ordered 2 blue ombre. What is this one? True blue. I ordered true blue. And I think all of them are actually true blue. I didn't know. Yeah, true blue. I didn't know there's actually a true blue and then a denim or something like that. But I happened to get all the true blues. So I have 2 true blue coming, which means 4, 5. That'll give me 6 of them. That'll give me 6 true blues. And then I'll be able to make that blanket. And then I am also missing the pink. I think I ordered 4 pink, which will give me 6. And then I'll be able to make that blanket. So, oh, the labels are getting stuck together. Okay, so I've got my green one, my teal one, and my sweet treat. It's a green, teal, and pink, ready to go. And I don't think these are not all going to fit in the bin. I have to put them in a box somewhere else. So we're going to put them in this box that we put here. And then we'll just throw them in there for now. Okay, so then we're ready to get these projects done. Because these are the next projects. And then after these ones, after all the ombre projects, I'm going to do one project with all the ombre in it. And we'll see what that looks like. We'll see what I have left after I make these blankets here. So that was my happy mail for that. I did also get a box of mystery yarn. So I'm going to make that a completely different video. But for now, if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and I'm going to add this to the